This machine costs $1.2 million. Not a factory, not a private jet, not a mansion, a farm machine. And somehow farmers keep buying them. In fact, the 3 machines you're about to see cost more than luxury homes in most American states. One can harvest enough grain to fill hundreds of trucks. Another can work around the clock with almost no downtime. And the last one was designed to solve a problem that costs farmers millions every year. The crazy part, for the people who own them, these machines aren't expensive. They're profitable. Let's see why. Krone BiG X 1180. The Forage King, the Krone BiG X 1180, fully configured, costs between $1.2 and $1.3 million. For context, that's more than the median luxury home in America. But this isn't a home. This is the most powerful production forage harvester on Earth. At its heart sits a Liebherr 512 engine, displacing 24.24 liters. That engine produces 1,156 horsepower, 1,156 horses. To put that in perspective, a Lamborghini Aventador makes 730 horsepower. This forage harvester has the power of 1.5 Lamborghinis. But unlike a Lamborghini which sits in a garage, the BiG X runs 18 to 20 hours per day during harvest season. One of the most distinctive features of the BiG X 1180 is the lift cab. The entire operator's cabin rises hydraulically by 70 centimeters, about 27 inches. Why would you need to raise the cab? Because when you're running a 12-row corn header that's 30 feet wide and 15 feet tall, you need to see what's ahead. The lift cab elevates the operator above the header, giving a clear view of the field, obstacles, and crop conditions. It's like having a command center that rises above the battlefield. Here's where German engineering gets serious. The BiG X 1180 features a system called VariLOC, a gearbox built inside the cutting drum pulley. This system allows the operator to change the theoretical length of cut from 3 millimeters to 30 millimeters. That's a 10 times range of adjustment. Why does this matter? Because different crops and different end uses require different cut lengths. Corn silage for dairy cows needs a different chop length than grass silage for beef cattle. And here's the genius part. You can make this adjustment in minutes using just a standard wrench. No computer, no dealer technician, just a simple mechanical system that's infinitely adjustable. It's the kind of thoughtful engineering that separates a $600,000 machine from a $1.2 million machine. The BiG X 1180 can harvest up to 427 tons of forage per hour. 427 tons. To put that in perspective, that's enough to fill 15 semi-trucks per hour. In a 12-hour workday, this machine processes over 5,000 tons of forage. Here's where the mansion comparison breaks down completely. During peak season, the BiG X 1180 generates over $10,000 in gross revenue per day. Custom harvesting rates for corn silage run $12 to $15 per ton. At 400 tons per hour and 12 hours of operation, that's 400 tons per hour times 12 hours equals 4,800 tons. 4,800 tons times $13 per ton equals $62,400 per day. Even after fuel, maintenance, and operator wages, the daily profit is substantial. Over a 45-day harvest season, one machine can generate close to $3 million in gross revenue. Your mansion, it sits there, looking nice, costing you property taxes. The BiG X, it's making money. These machines are built with military-grade materials. The components that contact the crop and soil use Hardox 500 steel, a steel alloy with a Brinell hardness of 500. That's the same hardness rating as ballistic armor designed to stop sniper rifle rounds. Why does forage harvesting equipment need ballistic grade steel? Because it's processing hundreds of tons per hour of abrasive material, dirt, rocks, silica, and plant stems that would wear through normal steel in weeks. Hardox 500 lasts seasons. That's the difference between a machine that needs major component replacement every year versus one that runs for 10,000 plus hours before major overhauls. If this is making sense now, smash that like button. Drop a comment. Would you rather own a $1.2 million mansion or a BiG X 1180? Because the next machine is even more specialized. ROPA Tiger 6S, the sugar beet beast, the price and purpose. The ROPA Tiger 6S costs between $1.1 and $1.2 million fully equipped. Again, mansion money, but this machine has one job: harvest sugar beets from frozen mud in late fall. And it does that job better than anything else on Earth. Sugar beet harvesting is brutal. The beets grow underground. They're heavy. Each one weighs 2 to 3 pounds. And harvest happens in October and November when fields are often wet, muddy, and partially frozen. You're extracting dense root vegetables from cold, sticky soil. It's one of the most demanding harvesting operations in agriculture. The Tiger 6S has a bunker, the storage tank for harvested beets, with a capacity of 43 cubic meters. That's about 1,518 cubic feet, or roughly 60 tons of beets when full. 60 tons, that's the weight of 40 cars sitting on top of this machine as it drives through muddy fields. Here's the problem: when you have 60 tons of beets in your bunker and you're working on a hillside, physics wants to tip you over. ROPA's solution is the R-balance system. This is a hydraulic leveling system using 6 independent cylinders that constantly adjust to keep the machine perfectly level on slopes up to 10%. 10% doesn't sound like much until you do the math. That's a 5.7-degree angle. With 60 tons on board, that's an enormous lateral force trying to roll the machine. The R-balance system fights that force in real time, making micro adjustments hundreds of times per minute. It's the difference between operating safely on hillsides versus being limited to flat ground. But the real genius is the R-contour system. The Tiger 6S has ultrasonic sensors mounted on each harvesting row. These sensors emit ultrasonic pulses that bounce off the soil surface, measuring the exact contour of the ground in real time. Based on that data, the machine adjusts the depth of each harvesting blade independently. Why does this matter? Because sugar beets don't all grow at the same depth. Some sit shallow, some are buried deep. If you set a fixed depth, you either dig too shallow and leave beets in the ground, lost revenue, dig too deep and damage beets, or bring up excessive dirt, quality penalties. The R-contour system solves this by adjusting each row individually in real time based on actual ground conditions. It's the difference between 97% harvest efficiency and 99.5% efficiency. On a 500-acre sugar beet operation yielding 30 tons per acre, that 2.5% difference is 375 tons of additional harvested beets. At $60 per ton, current sugar beet prices, that's $22,500 in recovered revenue per season. The R-contour system pays for itself. Most agricultural equipment uses hydraulic systems for power transmission. Hydraulics are flexible, but they're also inefficient. You lose about 20 to 30% of power to heat and friction. The Tiger 6S uses direct mechanical drive shafts to all 3 axles. This provides synchronized, full power traction to every wheel with minimal power loss. When you're pulling 60 tons through mud, efficiency matters. The mechanical drivetrain delivers more usable power to the ground than hydraulic systems ever could. Sugar beet contracts pay based on tonnage and sugar content. A highly efficient harvester like the Tiger 6S recovers more beets per acre, higher tonnage payments, delivers cleaner beets, fewer quality penalties, works faster, more acres per day. For a contract grower with 2,000 acres of sugar beets, average yield 30 tons per acre. Total production, 60,000 tons. Just a 2% improvement in efficiency. 1,200 additional tons at $60 per ton. $72,000 additional revenue per season. The Tiger 6S pays for itself in efficiency gains alone in 15 to 18 seasons. Factor in avoided losses from less efficient equipment, and the payback drops to 8 to 10 seasons. Your mansion, still sitting there, still costing you money. Now let's talk about the most expensive planting system in agriculture. John Deere planting train P576 plus C850T. The John Deere P576 air seeder paired with the C850T air cart costs approximately $1.17 million as a complete system. This isn't a tractor. This isn't a simple planter. This is a precision seeding system that can plant thousands of acres with millimeter level accuracy. The C850T air cart holds 850 bushels of seed and fertilizer across 4 separate tanks. 850 bushels is approximately 30,000 liters, or about 21,000 pounds of material. That's 10.5 tons of seed and fertilizer riding in one cart. Why does capacity matter? Because stopping to refill costs time. At large-scale planting operations covering 500 plus acres per day, every refill is 20 to 30 minutes of lost productivity. The C850T's massive capacity means fewer refills, more continuous operation, and higher daily acreage. Here's where precision engineering gets wild. The P576 planter is 76 feet wide. That's wider than a semi-truck truck is long. When you make a turn with a 76-foot wide planter, the outside rows are traveling much faster than the inside rows. If you're planting at a target population of 34,000 seeds per acre, and the seeding rate doesn't adjust for the turn, you end up with overpopulation on inside rows, wasted seed, crowded plants. Underpopulation on outside rows, yield loss. The Accurate system solves this with individual electric meters on every row. As the planter turns, GPS calculates the speed of each row, and the meters adjust delivery rates in real time. Outside, rows meter faster, inside rows meter slower. The result is perfect population across the entire width, even during turns. This level of precision was impossible 10 years ago. GPS-guided section control isn't new, but Section Command Pro takes it to another level. The system can shut off individual rows, not just sections, to prevent overlap in irregular fields. Why does this matter? Seed isn't cheap. Hybrid corn seed costs $250 to $350 per bag. On a 3,000-acre corn operation, you're spending $150,000 plus on seed alone. If your planter overlaps by even 5% due to irregular field shapes and turning patterns, you're wasting $7,500 in seed. Over 10 seasons, that's $75,000. Section Command Pro eliminates that waste. Every seed goes where it's supposed to. Nothing is double planted. The planter runs on enormous tires with 91.7% more ground contact area than standard Agi tires. This reduces ground pressure to just 22 pounds per square inch. For reference, your car tires run at 32 to 35 pounds per square inch. This planter, carrying 10 tons of seed, puts less pressure on the soil than your Honda Civic. Why does soil pressure matter? Because compaction kills yields. Compacted soil restricts root growth, reduces water infiltration, and can cost 10 to 15% in yield loss. On a 3,000-acre corn farm yielding 200 bushels per acre, a 10% compaction loss is 60,000 bushels lost at $4.50 per bushel, $270,000 in lost revenue. The flotation system on the P576 protects against that loss. Because of its width and capacity, the P576 system can plant 500 plus acres per day. A conventional 24-row planter might cover 250 to 300 acres per day. During the narrow spring planting window, often just 10 to 15 days of ideal conditions, speed is everything. The P576 can plant a 5,000-acre farm in 10 days. A conventional planter needs 17 to 20 days. If weather turns bad on day 11, the P576 is done. The conventional planter loses days waiting for conditions to improve. Perfect plant population and spacing translates directly to yield. Studies show that optimized population and even spacing can increase corn yields by 5 to 10 bushels per acre. On a 5,000-acre operation at 200 bushels per acre, 5 bushel per acre, improvement 25,000 additional bushels. At $4.50 per bushel, $112,500 additional revenue year after year. The planting system pays for itself in increased yield alone within 10 to 12 seasons. Quick pause. If this is changing how you think about agricultural equipment, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed, because we need to talk about why this equipment costs so much and why it's actually worth it. The Mansion comparison. Let's run the numbers on appreciation. The Mansion, purchase price, $1.2 million. Annual appreciation, 3 to 4%. Optimistic. Value after 5 years, $1.39 to $1.46 million. Total gain, $190,000 to $260,000. The BiG X 1180, purchase price $1.2 million. Annual gross revenue $800,000 to $1.2 million. 45-day season. Annual net profit after all costs $300,000 to $400,000. Total profit after 5 years $1.5 to $2 million. The Mansion appreciates, the machine generates. Your Mansion provides shelter and status, but you can live comfortably in a $300,000 house and get 90% of the same utility. These machines provide something no other tool can: the ability to harvest, process, and plant at scales and speeds that make large-scale farming economically viable. There is no $300,000 alternative that delivers even close to the same capability. Farmers who buy these machines aren't being extravagant. They're making calculated business decisions based on ROI, efficiency, and operational necessity. In modern agriculture, you either invest in technology that allows you to farm at competitive scale and efficiency, or you exit the industry. There's no middle ground anymore. So here's the question, mansion or machine? For most people, the mansion makes sense. It's where you live, it's comfort and security. But for a farmer operating thousands of acres, that $1 million machine is the difference between thriving and failing. The BiG X 1180 with its 1156 horsepower and lift cab can harvest 400 plus tons per hour, generating thousands in revenue daily. The ROPA Tiger 6S with ultrasonic sensors and hydraulic leveling can work hillsides in frozen mud, recovering every beet with surgical precision. The John Deere planting train with accurate and section command can seed 500 acres per day with zero overlap and perfect population. These aren't machines, they're mobile precision factories made from military-grade steel, guided by GPS, monitored by AI, and designed to operate 20 hours a day in conditions that would destroy lesser equipment. While you sleep in a mansion, somewhere a BiG X 1180 is working through the night under threatening weather, saving a crop worth 10 times its purchase price. That's the difference between luxury and necessity. That's why farmers pay mansion money for machines. If this changed how you see agricultural equipment, here's what I need. First, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this matters. Second, subscribe and hit the bell. We're covering the most advanced agricultural technology on Earth every single week. Third, drop a comment right now. Would you rather own a mansion or one of these machines? And which one impressed you most? The BiG X with 1156 horsepower, the ROPA with ultrasonic sensors, or the Deere planting train with accurate? I read every comment, and if you made it to the end, I've got a video on screen about why farmers pay millions for equipment. It's a deep dive into the economics. You need to watch it. 3 machines, more expensive than mansions, but they're not luxury purchases. They're investments that generate millions.